So if you got a coupon code on Temu or you're wondering how you can use a coupon on Temu, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. And it's actually quite easy to do. So all you have to do is just watch this video to the really end and then follow all the steps I'm about to show you so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu app. And then from here, I'm going to go over to my U button right over here and then click on coupons and offers. So as you can see, I actually have quite a bit of expired coupons, but if yours is not expired, you want to go ahead and read on the code that is for your coupon. So in this case, mine would be Lucky MJ3, and that would be my code. And then for you, you might have a different code. So then just remember that code, or if you can copy that code. And once you have that code down, you want to go ahead and click on categories on the bottom. It's closer to the left-hand side. And then from here, you want to go over and click on search Temu, which is the search bar of the Temu app. And then from here, you want to just type in or paste in the code over into the Temu search bar. So mine was, I already forgot what it was, but essentially just paste in that code. Let's say it was just INC13626. And once you have pasted it in, then you can go ahead and claim that code and then buy using that coupon. And there you go. It should work just like that. If you have any questions, then leave it down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope that helps.